Hey everyone, Cera Yukie here, and today I'm back with a new season of I Draw Your OC. So this is like the third season already, and I'm super excited to see all your lovely original characters. So let's pick the first character for this season. That one. And we have Nasby or Nasby321 with the OC Cera Yukie. So let's get started. So yeah, we're going to draw some OCs again. So I was really happy when I saw the name of this person, because this person actually supported me on the Ko-fi website. And if you don't know what a Ko-fi is or what Ko-fi is, it's basically a website where you can buy a coffee for a person, and with that way you support your favorite artists. So I think that's a really nice concept, and it's really easy, and I was really happy that this person supported me and that I picked out the OC as well, so that's really nice. So I made this kind of deal that when you buy me a coffee on the Ko-fi website, I will triple your chance to be picked out for the OC drawing. So if you want to be picked out for this series, I just really want to ask you if you want to support me for drawing OCs, and it's just a really small amount, it's like €3 or something, and I would really appreciate it, and I will triple your chance to be picked out. So back to the drawing. So I had a really hard time. It has been so long since I've been drawing on this paper and basically drawing in this style in general. I basically have abandoned this style because I am more of a illustration kind of style right now, and this style isn't really me anymore. I explained that in the art style video, so if you're interested in that, please check out that video. So it was actually really hard to draw in this style again and on this paper and doing all these things again, and I can't believe that I managed to draw 17 OCs already, like it's insane. And by saying that, I also want to say that I am going to end this series when I reach 20 OCs, so after this OC I'm only going to draw 2 more and then it's done, at least for now. Maybe I come back next year or something, but I really wanted to close this series with 20 OCs. I mean, that sounds better than stopping at 17, like that's weird, so yeah. So I also wanted to say that I'm really rusty in this style and that I've erased the sketch like 1,000 times, and well, I just want to apologize that this isn't my best OC drawing, or at least for me, but I also want to say that I'm not really pleased with anything I draw at this moment, so I'm sorry, and I totally messed up the glosses, so I'm sorry about that, but still I think this OC came out really cute in the end, so I really hope you like it. And yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to say in this video, so enjoy the rest of the video, and again, I really hope you like it, and if you want to join, please leave your OC in the comment section below or in the journal on DeviantArt, or you can also tag me or send me a DM on Instagram. Just be sure to add a good reference of your original character, otherwise I won't be able to draw it. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you next week everyone. Bye bye!